We are making our morning routine right now on my Quranic book. Wait, you can put this down over here. I buy this at 7. It's so cute. Even have a lot. I got a key. Oh my god. Okay. So step 1, make your bed. Where's my bed? Done. Step 2, brush your teeth. Let's go brush. Step 3 is eating an breakfast. Step 4 is taking home. Done. You guys can follow me to my bathroom routine, okay? Wait, let me go. Got the comfy towel. Now let's go. But I need to wait for my grandma. Duh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go away. Let's go. Hả là cái hay chị sao? Let's go echo. Bathroom. Just hope it doesn't touch your teeth. Okay. Let's get a brush our teeth. Okay. Okay. With my toothbrush. Where's my toothbrush? Where is it? Serious is behind. Serious, I found it. I need to brush. I'm done. Clean. Okay. Now time for me to shower. Bye guys. Back done. I need to open it, but I just put your guys over here. Don't bring it anyway. I just go down. I can still see it. Hi. Put down your pants. I will do part 2, okay? Because I want to listen to a song.